For more information and current price, I included this product link in the description.
Okay, so I'm going to review this backpack. I've seen a lot of people review it and they say that, you know, a lot of times it's men and they say, hey, I can pack in this for an overnight trip. I'm a girl, so I wanted to give a fair review. Let's look at the outside compartments first. There's lots of room in here for business cards and pens, what have you. You can clip your keys in here. It's a nice compartment. On the sides, there's room for water bottles. You can clip them in. Extra room here. I can stuff a hat in there if I'm going somewhere cold. Same exact thing on this side. Okay, so let's take a look at, oh, handy dandy little, this is a deep pocket. I put, if I'm traveling, I'll put stuff in here that I need to access quickly for travel. Usually in here I'll put my chargers and whatnot. In here, large compartment. There's a mesh compartment here. And as you can see, I can put my mouse in here. It fits my laptop. You can put your phone in here. And it has a little port so that you can put your headphones through here. This for security, if you're going through the airport, I have just opened it up. I'll show you. And it goes through security pretty easily if you're going through the airport. This unzips all the way down the sides. And if you're going through the security screening at the airport, you can just open it up. You can put your tablet in here. More storage here. If you look, you can actually put your laptop in here. And that way when you go through security, you can just screen it. Right now I have my laptop in this front section. But you don't have to. You can put it in this section here. And then when you go through security, you can just unwrap it like so and screen it. I will tell you, as a female traveling overnight trips, I'm able to roll up a business jacket and a dress and a pair of work shoes and stuff them in here, my makeup and what have you. And I have traveled a number of times just in this backpack, having my laptop with me, stuffing all of my, I'll give presentations, so I'll have a professional dress and sweater and shoes in here, and then something to sleep in. Of course, I'm wearing whatever I'm wearing while I'm at the airport. And I just want to show the back of it. It's well cushioned, and I can tell you, you know, as an average build female, I can walk through the airport with this, and I don't have to check any baggage. No wheels, you have to have it on your back, but you don't have to check any bags, and you can throw it right in the overhead compartment, and when you get off the plane, you're ready to go.
I have included this product link in the description. You can check out that link for more details and latest price.